Hey guys, we are peeling back the curtain today. You do not need to quit your job to start building your digital income online or setting up an online business. I set up my business while I was working full-time, still am working full-time, and I'll show you exactly how I did that. So maybe back in the day, when I guess maybe over 10 years ago or so, there might have been a time when it took a long time to do things, but the world has changed so much. Social media platforms has changed so much. Where people go to get information and ask questions has definitely changed. People utilize YouTube, Google. YouTube is the second largest search engine outside of Google, and Google owns YouTube. And there are over, I believe I read, and it was confirmed, over 5 billion people on social media platforms. Over 24 million people have accounts on YouTube. So these are platforms that are very active, that people are on. And, years ago might have been a totally different story. But back then, you were told, oh, you got to have a website. So you got to have a funnel. It's going to take you months. That's not true. That's not true at all. That's kind of the old way. Now we're talking about a simple way here with what I be presenting, the done-for-you business that has everything included, the product, the training, and the setup and support. You don't need to take months figuring this out at all. I was able to set up my business in days. And that's what I would recommend for people, especially if you're 40, 50, 60 years old, and you're still working full time. You have to be very efficient and effective with what you're doing. So what I did to get going, this is how I got started, and I'm sharing it with you today. The first thing I did was I invested in myself. I took a chance on myself. I purchased the digital product which gave me instant access to the system. And I was able to purchase this product by using the Afterpay or Klarna Pay options, which means, you make payments over time, which was perfect for me. That was the first time I've ever seen anything like that. And that option is available as well. When you set up your business and you want to offer that for others. So that's all included on how to do that. I followed the step-by-step videos course. They were simple, over the shoulder. I watched them on the weekends, after work, in the morning. I was able to set up, everything I needed to make it easy for folks to navigate the system, to purchase the product as well. And I started learning how to create content to attract my target audience, or people that I felt that this would be a perfect solution for. And I plugged in to the weekly support calls and also the community help. There wasn't any guesswork. I didn't have to do any coding. I didn't have to figure it out alone at all. I knew there was always somebody available for me, and I could always go back and rewatch any videos that I had any questions on. But the key to make all this work, it wasn't the perfection. Nothing's perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm learning as I'm going along here, which is obvious. It was just direction. It gave me the exact direction, a roadmap. I wasn't reinventing the wheel. I was following proven steps. This digital marketing course, tens of thousands of people have purchased this course and are using this course not only to resell the course, it's a done-for-you product, but use it to create their own products to sell. So you have those two options as well. I mean, it's just amazing, the opportunities that are available with this one-time purchase. If this sounds like anything you're looking for, it's simple. You get the support and it's scalable. You guys, I have available a free guide that was provided to us through our mentor that we're able to share with you now. It's going to be in the link there. It's called the Elite Guide to Digital Income. So it breaks down the exact foundation that helped me get started even while working full time on this. So I would definitely suggest that you grab that, take a look at it. And tomorrow, what I'll be doing on day 4, I'm sharing what it actually looks like to show up and create content. And when you're still new to all of this and still working full time. So you guys, this is real life. This is what I'm doing, and let's build it together. It's super doable, and I can't wait to see you inside our community.